Hi guys, Barnes here, and I'm going to show you how to kickflip. Before you start learning how to do this trick, you should be really comfortable just riding your board around, and you should also have your ollies down well. Because the ollie is part of this trick and it's going to help you out a lot to learn this trick. The first thing you have to get down is your foot placement. Your front foot is with a bit of angle just down from the front bolts, and your back foot is on the tail. Now the first thing you're going to do is you're going to bend your front knee, lifting the front of the board up, and you're going to put pressure down on your back foot. This is the thing that's going to pop and give you the lift on the board. The second part is sliding that front foot off the board diagonally on the side of the nose. Also, pay attention to which part of your shoe actually flips the board. Try to aim the tip and the side of your shoes to have the most contact when you flip your board. Notice how my knee and how my foot turns as I slide my foot up. This is very important. This is what's going to give you the flip and what's going to turn your board. Now that you know how to flip the board, as soon as it's flipped, you catch it with your back foot. Right at the back truck and put both feet down. The main thing you really need to get down is that flick of the front foot. It's very important that you learn to flip it up because a lot of people are trying to flip it on the side, and in the long run it will be beneficial if you learn to flip it up and off the side of the nose. It's important you have to flip it up and front out on the side of the nose to have a really nice controlled kickflip. Remember, up and off the board. This is what causes your board to flip and keep it level so you can catch it and keep your feet above the board. So how to land it? As soon as you see your board flip around, put that back foot down, catch your board, and then just drop your legs and land straight and roll away. Make sure you have your balance over the center of your board, and that will make it easier to roll away. It's not extremely difficult to learn it, just make sure you have a good ollie, and then you just need to practice a lot to make sure your front foot goes up and out on the side as you flip the board under your feet. Now it's your turn to go out and make sure you practice. If you have any questions or something to share, use the comments below. And thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next trick on Thursday. Like and share this video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified for the weekly videos. Follow me on different socials, but as always, the most important is to go skate and have fun.